I recently did a video on searching by order numbers and barcodes, and in that video, I had included a pop-up that if you pressed a button, you would get a pop-up to search for these numbers. But if that's the entire reason that you have this sheet, if that's the only use that you're ever going to use for it, why don't you put this as a piece of the sheet? And so what I've done is I've basically changed the coding from being in a pop-up. I've made it so that it's a piece of the sheet. So let me show you an example of this. So I will go and put the barcode in here. Okay, and then I'm going to go search. And it's scrolled all the way down to line 74, and it's telling me it's 74. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to mark it saying that this has come back, and then you're going to go new order, and it's going to wipe out everything. And so now let's put in an order number here. And let's go search again. And there you go, it's line 8. And so let's mark that one. So to me, that makes it much easier, just for the fact that if you do this, for example, once a day or once a week, all you'd have to do is right click on the bottom of the screen here, select move or copy, and we're going to go create a copy. And so then the copy of this, so now what you could do is you could just wipe this totally out and put in the new list of numbers that you had here. So you could paste the numbers in that you had in the next order, and away you go. So let's look at the code. So this is my code. The first little program I've written is called sheet search. Now I've declared the last row as the active sheet and it's counted from the bottom up. I've set the barcode to whatever is in range B1, and I've set the order number to whatever is in D1. And now if the order number is not blank, then the order is the order number value. And so then we're starting at row 4 and going down to the end row. Here's a for loop. Now, what it's doing is it's looking for the order number. When it finds the order number, then the row number is displayed in the box for the row number, and it's gone to that row that you're there. Now, the same thing goes for the barcode. It's looking for a barcode. When it finds the barcode, it goes to that row, and then it displays the row number in the B2 value on the sheet. Now, look, I have referred to this as ActiveSheet.Cells as opposed to sheet 1, so that this code is going to work on any sheet. And that is why I'm not using the table search values. Because if you change the table to another sheet, it would go from table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4. And so if we're just using ActiveSheet and the cells now, this will work on every sheet. Now, the mark on the row, it's just taking the ones that we, whatever the value is, row number in B2, then it's just coloring that row. And then just to clear the sheet, what we're doing is we're selecting B1, B2, D1, D2, and we're making them blank. So that's the code for making a pop-up right on the worksheet. Please subscribe.